Hi, this is Billy Joe with Moon Goddess 114433. This short video is just for the unboxing and reveal of the Halloween Oracle by Stacey Demarco. I just got this in the mail. All I did was take the plastic off the outside. I'm so excited about this. So I'm just going to get started with it. I know that with the Halloween coming up, people is going to be interested in maybe purchasing this. So it's a cute little book here. Let's see. Content says it has a little bit about the scariest night of the year, how to use the deck, dedicating your cards, and then it tells about all the different cards in there. And it has a little insert about the author. Take this little. Go. So this is the back of the cards. Cute, cute, cute. Let's see here. Some of them's a little stuck together. We have ancestors, the love and legacy of your DNA. These look like they're going to be beautiful cards. Apple, risk and reward. I'm gonna try and pronounce it. Barmbrack, sweetness and synergy. Black cat, fortune meets opportunity. Cauldron, synergy and healing. I like that card. I like all of them really so far. Dawn, the light after the darkness. Love owls. Death, the eternal cycle begins here. Eternal love. Love is love is love, and it transcends physical death. Forgiveness, reducing burden. Ghost, ooh, regret. Graveyard, unnecessary fear. Hearth, happiness in our hearts and our homes, and homes. Invisibility, authenticity. Jack-o'-lantern, protection. Joy, rejoicing, rejoicing in the present. Y'all know I'm not right. Lady de los Muertos, acceptance and equality. The lamp, remembrance. Midnight, the most magical hour of all. Mummy, change. Night song, hidden talents. I love redbirds. I swear I see them all over the place. Those and turtles all the time. Owl, wise seeing, wise action. Scrying, intuition. I would love to have a big old crystal ball. I mean, I have this selenite one over here. I would like to have one of them great big ones. You know, like, ooh. Skeleton strength. Skull of darkness, blind spots. I just love the colors and the pictures in this of all these cards. Skull of flowers, creating through the ashes. Skull of light, illumination. Skull of stars, infinite possibilities. Spider, community and web weaving. Speaking of, we have been all this summer, our house is covered on the outside with spiders and spider webs. And they're huge too. Trick or treat, mischief and play. The underworld, where all things pause and begin again. Vampire, emotional intelligence. The veil, the future. Werewolf, exploring wildness. Winter, the sacredness of pausing. The witch, the earthly weaver of the worlds. And one more. Zombie control. Let's see how these shuffle. They're a lot bigger than my hand. Oh, they shuffle pretty good. Except I'm hitting the camera. So I'm trying to shuffle these huge cards. Well, I hope you liked this video. For those of you who are thinking about purchasing the Halloween Oracle, it looks like it's going to be a promising deck. I'm really excited. So, until I see you next time on one of my videos, thank you for watching. Have a great day.